Қайырлы күн менің каналымның көрермендері. Бір-екі аптадай демалыс алып сіздермен қайта қауышып отырғаныма мен өте қуаныштымын. Біріншіден, менің каналыма жазылған, менің каналымды көретін оқырмандардың, көрермендердің саны 10 мың адамға жетіпті. Сол үшін сіздерге көп рахмет айтамын. Ал біз бүгін американдық ағылшын жаңағы таза тірі тілдің әңгімелесу түрімен танысамыз. Осыған дейін біраз грамматиканы оқыдық. Енді бүгін біраз американдық ағылшын тілін тыңдап көрейік. Өздеріңіз білетіндей, менің досым Helen Mary маған бұл сабаққа көмек көрсететін болады. Hi Helen Mary.
Hi Caroline, how are you?
Thank you, I'm fine. So first of all, I thank you for this opportunity, making this lesson for my subscribers, and I appreciate your help.
Okay, you're
So,
welcome.
what are we gonna bake today?
All right, we are going to make dark chocolate fudge brownies.
Excellent. So, what will you use for that? What ingredients are you gonna use for that?
Okay, most of the ingredients are in the package, in the box,
Right,
pre-mixed. We need to add some oil.
right.
We need to add egg and water. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what utensils are we gonna use for that?
My favorite, big red bowl. You have a nice wooden spoon
Right.
and a measuring cup, 1/3 cup English units.
Okay. Excellent.
I'm also going to use scissors to open the bag because I'm silly.
Okay.
Okay.
And what is this?
Oh, sorry. This is the baking pan.
Okay. So, could you please comment as you go?
Okay, I'd be happy to.
So, let's begin.
Okay, let's begin. First things first. Turn on the oven. So I have the oven set according to the box. The box says I should do 350 Fahrenheit English units, which is about 177. What is it? European units? I don't know what I am. So 177. So the oven's preheating.
Okay.
Next, we have to prepare our pan. We're going to take a little bit of the hard butter
Right.
and we're going to put it all, coat the entire pan.
Excuse me for interrupting you, Helen Mary. I just apologize for the background noise. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Apologize. Yeah, for that.
No worries. Okay, so we're going to coat the entire pan. Make sure you get into the corners.
Right.
Okay? Okay, now, so oven's preheating, pan is ready.
Next step.
Next step, mixing the brownie mix.
Excellent.
Like I said, I'm not good at opening package, so I use scissors, but you could just use your hands.
So you're gonna use the whole package, yeah?
Whole package. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Whole package.
Yeah. This is the flour.
It's a combination of flour, cocoa, sugar,
Okay.
probably salt. Already pre-mixed. No measuring, no fuss, no muss.
Gotcha.
Then we're going to take 1/3 cup of oil. Add that to our bowl. One third cup of oil. I need 1/3 cup of water. Okay, 1/3 cup of water.
Water, okay.
And then 1 egg.
Just one egg.
Oi!
What happened?
Okay, 1/3 cup of water.
Water, okay.
And then 1 egg.
Just one egg.
Oi!
What happened?
I got shell in.
No problem. You can pick it up like that.
No shell in the egg brownie.
Okay.
Okay, then we're going to mix.
So just one egg.
One egg.
Okay.
Mix. Well, the box actually has two varieties of brownies. You can make fudge-like brownies. That's what I'm making.
Okay.
Or you can make cake-like brownies.
Right.
Cake-like brownies, we would have put another egg
Oh, okay.
and less. No, just another egg. We would have put another egg. So now I need to stir this about 50 times.
50 times, not 35.
I think it says 50.
Okay, are you counting? Sorry.
It doesn't have to be perfect, but you don't want to mix it too much.
Right.
So that's about 50. Let me double check. About 50 strokes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Next step, we're going to take our lovely mixed batter and put it in our pan, our prepared pan. Kind of slow at this, so sorry, you might want to cut some of this up.
That's okay.
Okay.
Oh, we can speed it up.
Okay, yeah. So this is, now we're going to spread this out evenly. Okay, make sure we get it in the corners. So that's about 50. Let me double check. About 50 strokes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Next step, we're going to take our lovely mixed batter and put it in our pan, our prepared pan. So this is, now we're going to spread this out evenly. Okay, make sure we get it in the corners. Get it into the corners.
Okay. So your brownie is ready to go, right?
Brownie mix ready to go. Now,
Into the oven.
now we need to place it in the oven. Yeah. Into our preheated oven.
So that is 177, and for how many minutes?
And for this batch, we should put it in for about 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
We have to
Okay.
set timer.
Yeah.
And in 20 minutes, we'll have a lovely dessert.
Excellent. So it took you 5 minutes,
Right.
yeah, to make.
The beauty
A brownie.
of the brownie mix in a box.
Ah, yes. If not for this box, it would take a longer time, right?
Correct.
Okay. Thank you very much, Helen
You have
Mary.
to have all the ingredients. You have to have flour and sugar and salt, and this way you just need a box.
Oh yeah. So in Kazakhstan, I don't think they sell boxes, ready to go boxes like that.
Really?
No, I don't think so.
Someone should make this a business opportunity.
Maybe for me it would be a business opportunity.
Okay then.
Okay, again, thank you very much for your help. What are you doing?
I'm licking the bowl.
Okay, so we will show the final result of your brownie to my subscribers, okay?